All right, let me do one more demonstration. I'm trying to pump out as many Christmas cards as I can to send them out to family and friends. Anyway, so this one is a real simple one. It's this one right here. There you go. Real simple. This is a cabin in the snow with some trees. So it didn't take me that long to do it, but it's even going to be quicker because I made a time-lapse video. So you wouldn't have to watch the real time. The important thing to tell you on this one is that all the shadows are a very, very light blue and maybe light violet, light purple in a few places, like in the deeper background. But everything else, well, snow on the trees is gouache, but everything else is watercolor. All right, let's see this one. Hope you like it. And I got some pretty cool music to go behind it too.